Roger, get your bitch ass up. It's time for school.
Hey guys, my name is Roger, and I know what you're thinking. Why did I come to this guy for fashion advice? Well, the reason is that I've been working at a place called Men's Wearhouse for about a year and a half, and I've picked up a couple tips and tricks, and so I'm just going to share what I've learned with you guys and hopefully find something useful. I like a lot of old things, like old classic movies, because I didn't grow up with TV. Like a lot of classic notch lapels, wingtip shoes, and stuff like that. But I also like a lot of modern colors, so I'm going to show you how I like to incorporate a classic feel with some modern pieces. First thing you need is a white undershirt. Next important thing, pants. Yes, I've been doing this entire video pants list so far. So these are Joseph Abboud tan chinos, and chinos are in between jeans and slacks. They are sporty casual, so they aren't quite dressy as slacks or dress pants, are more dressy than jeans. So it's time to choose leather. So here I have another Joseph Abboud brown belt, but it's quite light. And normally I would reserve lighter browns for summertime season. Seeing that it's still winter months, I'm gonna go with something darker. And I don't recommend doing black because these are such light pants that it would be too much of a contrast. So I'm gonna go with the dark brown belt. Now let's do shoes. I'm going to go with my Italians, the leather matches. Which another very important part of your feet are your socks. But again, I'm wearing lighter pants, so I'm going to go with Joseph Abboud, and they have a slight dotted pattern in them. With every single person that ever puts on a tie or a suit needs to have at least one white dress shirt. I also like this James Tatternall shirt. They're small leaves. The other cool thing about James Tatternall shirts are the cuffs. You can wear cufflinks with these as well. So to coordinate your tie with it, it should be something that complements your shirt. It's very slim. I bought this specifically for this shirt. Hufflepuff cufflinks beach. This is a Joseph boot. The lining is camouflage. And normally, wearing a white pocket square with this would be just fine. 4-panel pocket square. Alright guys, I hope that you found some of this helpful. Stay tuned for next video where I teach you how to measure yourself so that you won't spend money when you can get something on clearance. See you then.